to head out this morning to meet a client about a creditor dispute, but I also have to follow up on a consultation from last week by noon. Alright, time to get to work.
I feel like your voice fits her the most out of all the characters. So the fighter guy, his voice wasn't too bad either, but I think her voice fits her the most. Kana? Oh, her voice is good in Japanese also. Do the Japanese voice. I think you need to download that, right? You have to download it, right? So, but her voice is good in English also. What do you mean? Why not? You guys are talking like I don't have to download it. Wait. Omaera. We can wait. How long would that take? So I can check it. Yeah. Language? Yeah, voiceover language. It's like 4 gigabytes. Oh. Oh! Yeah, this might take a while. Yeah, this might take a while. Next time I play, I'll put in Japanese, so... You know? Hayai! What do you mean that was quick? That was super slow. That was super slow. So I probably just play and then next time, because I do want to hear the Japanese voice also. I think my internet's pretty average. Cause I actually I tried to get really expensive internet when I moved in. I wanted to have really good reliable internet for streaming, and so I paid quite a lot to get expensive internet. That was one of the things I couldn't cheap out on, you know. And what happened was it's supposed to be pretty quick. I'm not sure exactly how much. It's supposed to be a few hundred is it megabits or megabytes? I don't even know anyways. So when the internet person came to install the internet, right? Here, he put the router, right? And when I looked on the router, there was no Ethernet port. There is no Ethernet port. So what I have to do now is I use a Wi-Fi stick on my desktop. But the stick is capped, right? It's maybe 1/3 of the internet speed. So I can't even utilize the entire speed of the internet. Mazu. Yeah, for real. Is it worth it? I don't know. And I didn't really think about what to do with it. I'm kind of afraid of calling them and being why is there no Ethernet port on the router, you know? I'm really bad with phone calls and stuff complaining, you know, for services and stuff. Even when I order food and I get something entirely different, I won't say anything. I'll just be thank you. You know, that's so... Just change the route. I don't think I can, actually. Maybe I can, I'm not sure, but I don't think I can. So... You paid for it. Ma, I know I did, but I don't know. I just feel too timid to ask them what's going on, you know, why is it like this, or can I change the service, you know? Wakannai. Ma.
Is there time for a quick snack? I'll whip one up in no time.
And here's the weird thing, right? At my Rose parents, we have the same sort of internet provider, right? We have the same internet provider. And I think they have an older router or something from the same company. But they have an Ethernet thing on theirs. And I don't have one on mine, but mine's supposed to be newer. どういうこと? なんで? So... It's a bit confusing. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can swap it, because I'm not even sure if it's the same kind of service in the first place. But I don't know, maybe that might work. So for now, I am a Wi-Fi warrior. I'm a Wi-Fi warrior for now. So, not of my own will. The temple? Oh, it's by here?